Hello there and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I'm going to show you a neat little trick that you can do with your ThinkPad and these guys. So don't be discouraged if you get a ThinkPad and it looks a little beaten up, because you know what? It's actually pretty easy to restore this surface, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that today. Now, this is a very soft surface, which is one of the reasons why it marks easily. But that is where our good friend microfiber sponge comes in. Now, what this is actually going to do is remove the very top layer where these scratches occur. So you don't want to press too hard when you're doing this, and you want to do it in 2 steps. So the first step you actually want to do is what's called a dry erase. So that's where you want to simply use the sponge and remove that very first layer of dirt and grime. And you want to do this without adding any water first. So let's go ahead . So for the next bit, the water one, we're obviously going to want to remove the battery. Just, well, if you can't figure that out. And there you go. One very smart, clean looking ThinkPad. So if you enjoy that little tip, I would strongly recommend that you subscribe, because you never know when I'm going to do cool stuff like this. And to me, that's a tip worth knowing, because if you have a back case that's a little beat up, it's a couple of dollars, a drop of water, and let's face it, that looks sharp enough to cut yourself on. All right, I'll see you later.